Vanakkam, welcome to Prakriti Living. Today, I am going to share with you 5 very powerful habits that each one of us should include in our morning schedule. These habits are really so simple that most of us would have heard about them, but we do not practice it on a regular basis. They are so simple and effective that we really underestimate them. All these 5 habits that I am going to talk to you about should be completed before breakfast, as it will have the most effect when you do it as soon as you get up. The first thing that I am going to talk about as soon as you wake up should be an attitude of gratitude and self-talk. Thank the universe how lucky you are for whatever you have in your life. There are so many others outside who do not have all the comforts that you have. So be grateful for everything that He has blessed you with. And next would be to talk to yourself. You are the best and are going to make the best of today, come what may, and get up with a very positive attitude. This is a very important thing and will have a magical effect on you. The second important habit is to hydrate yourself. This is of utter importance, as throughout the day we often forget to take enough water, and even if we do, it will not have the same effect as having it in an empty stomach. Drink at least half a liter of water in an empty stomach. It helps to hydrate and effectively flush out the toxins from your body. It will be of immense help to start the day with water. The third most important thing to do when you get up will be to exercise. You can do any form of exercise like going for a walk, yoga, floor exercise, body exercise, dancing, whatever you like. You can select and do it meticulously, and it will give you immense benefits in the long run. It will help your blood circulation and the less talked about lymphatic system to function well. Our lymphatic system only works when you work out. Otherwise, it will just be stagnant. Exercising has the added benefit it will keep you active throughout the day, making you more flexible and alert. Exercising helps to avoid sprains in the long run. The next thing that you should be doing would be to do some breathing exercises like pranayamam and many other breathing techniques that are taught in the yoga classes. But never mind, there is no issues if you do not know all these exercises or any fancy names of these exercises. There is no problem. Just sit quietly in a place in a cross-legged position. Keep your palms on your thighs. Just listen to your breath initially. Next, take in long, deep breaths and let it out very slowly. This is more than enough. Start with this. Do this for about 5 to 10 minutes. It will calm you down immensely. And when you take long breaths, it also ensures that you take in plenty of oxygen, which will do a lot of good to your brain and blood vessels. Then the next thing would be to meditate. Yes, there is no need to make it a very complicated affair or an elaborate one. This is also a very simple thing that you can just do in the comfort of your home. Just sit down comfortably in a peaceful place for about 10 minutes and listen to yourself. Just close your eyes, just relax your body and listen to the breath, the air going in and coming out peacefully into your lungs and outside. Just listen to it and just keep your eyes closed for some time. The mind will waver, but gently bring it back to your breath. Do not force yourself to think about something in particular, or do not stop any thoughts or emotions that come in. Every time they come in, just remain calm and go back to listening to your breath. That's it. That's about meditation. The next thing to do would be to read something positive. There are many self-help books and very nice, great authors writing books about how to stay positive throughout the day. Read a bit of all those. Or if you have the habit, write something. The next thing to do would be to plan your schedule for the day and make a to-do list. This will be of really great help to you. As we start the day, so many works come to our mind that we are really confused and perplexed as to where to start and what to do first and what to do next. So, make a to-do list and follow it. Bring to priority the things that need your attention the most. It will really be very helpful. So, that's it, my friends. Get up now. Start your day with the energy of a child. Thank you.